Hi all. Welcome to Tuk Tuk Tech. Subscribe to our channel and enable the notification for future updates. Today, we will be looking at the overlapping higher value relationship. Overlapping higher value relationship also offers a moderately bullish outlook for the upcoming session. This relationship occurs when today's pivot range is higher than yesterday's range, but overlaps to some degree. Therefore, the top of the range is higher than the top of yesterday's range. But the bottom of the range is lower than the top of yesterday's range. The same closing and opening price dynamics are in effect for this relationship as well. If the market closes above its range in the prior session, a bullish bias should be assigned to the following day. However, where the market opens in the following session will either reject or accept this directional bias. Let's take a look at an example. On 22nd of March 2021, in Nifty, overlapping higher value relationship was formed. The next day, opening candle accepted the higher value relationship, and Nifty rallied to support 2 level. Task for the day. Find out the overlapping higher value relationship in your stock chart and check what happened on the next day. In the next video, we will cover the topic, the lower value relationship. Stay tuned. Stay safe. Thank you for watching.